Choosing your bonsai companion, a tale of timeless beauty. In the enchanting world of bonsai trees, enthusiasts find solace and inspiration. Picture yourself in a serene garden, discovering the magic of living art. For bonsai lovers, the question often is, what bonsai tree should I buy? Join us on a journey through the diverse landscape of bonsai trees, each with a unique charm and story. Discovering the classics, the juniper bonsai. The juniper bonsai, a timeless classic, symbolizes strength and resilience with its vibrant green needles and graceful twists. Insights from the Journal of Bonsai Research reveal its favor among beginners for adaptability. At the Bonsai Barn, we appreciate the classic appeal of the juniper as a perfect starting point for bonsai novices. Elegance in bloom, the cherry blossom. Bonsai transition into the delicate beauty of spring with the cherry blossom bonsai. A symbol of beauty and life's fleeting nature, this variety captures the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Data from the International Bonsai Society highlights its growing popularity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an elegant addition to their collection. Tropical vibes, the ficus bonsai. For a touch of the tropics, the ficus bonsai is captivating. Characterized by glossy leaves and distinctive aerial roots, it adds an exotic flair to any collection. A survey by Bonsai Enthusiast magazine attests to its popularity among seasoned growers, praising its adaptability. At the Bonsai Barn, we celebrate the ficus as a testament to the rich diversity within the bonsai world. Timeless allure, the pine bonsai. Closing with a sense of contemplation, the pine bonsai symbolizes longevity and steadfastness. Cherished for centuries, it requires more care, but the rewards are worth it. The Bonsai Journal reveals the profound connection enthusiasts feel with the pine bonsai, highlighting its significance in bonsai cultivation. As you embark on your bonsai journey, remember that each tree carries a unique story. The choice is yours, and at the Bonsai Barn, we invite you to explore a curated selection of these miniature wonders. Follow us for more bonsai tips, advice, and a chance to cultivate a world of timeless beauty in the palm of your hands.